we need to add new groups to our Firebase database. So for that, I'll go to activity_groups.xml and I'll create a new fab, floating action button. So create floating action button, wrap content, ID would be fab, drag it and drop it here. Then in further constraints, remove this 16 dp from the right and from the bottom. And I need to add a new vector asset in the drawable folder. So create a new vector asset, and here I'll name it as Android add and search for add. Select this, okay, name it as icon add, click next, click finish. I'll use app src compat to override the background at drawable, and here we go. And I'll change the background color, so I'll use background tint at Android and predefined colors. This is good. Let's move to the repository and create a new group function. This function takes into the parameter a string called group name. And to create and push data to Firebase, it's very simple. I'll use database reference dot child. You can create a root child, or you can remove it and set directly to the root folder and create new groups in the root folder. So I'll use set value, the group name. The third step is to move the MyView model and call this repository, create a new chat group function. But wait, from where we need to get the group name? When the user clicks on this fab button, we need to display a dialog, alert dialog, to get the name of the group and pass it to the view model here in this method. And in this method, in turns, calls the repository.create a new chat group and inserted it into the Firebase Realtime Database. So let's move to create this alert dialog.